Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel English with Anjali. Friends, do you want to speak in English? Is this your dream that you can talk to people in English? So stick till this video, and in this video I'm going to talk about that how you can start your English speaking journey and how you can improve your English. So friends, make a promise to yourself that before 2025 you are going to learn this language. So I would say if you are a true beginner, then first of all, you should know the basic grammar rule. If you know the basic grammar rule, then it will help you a lot. Means you can make a sentence structure. I'm not saying that without knowing grammar rule, you are not able to speak English, but it will take too much efforts, too much time. But if you know the basic grammar rule, then you can speak English easily. So friends, nowadays, everybody wants to speak in English, but why everybody is not able to speak in English? Because everybody wants to speak in English, but nobody is going to learn this language. Nobody is going to go through the process. I have already mentioned it in my previous video. So friends, you have to just get out from your comfort zone. That's why you can learn this language. You have to go through by this process that what actually you can do to start your journey. So friends, set a goal before 2025 that you are going to learn this language and you will give your 100% to learn for learning this language. So friends, make sure that if you are starting, then you have to be persistent. Because जब हम किसी काम को शुरू करते हैं then 2 दिन तक 3 दिन तक बहुत हाई एनर्जी के साथ करते हैं, बट उसके बाद उस काम को छोड़ देते हैं. So you don't have to do this, because if you are doing anything new, then of course it will take too much time and it will take too much practice. If you are practice daily, then you must have heard this, practice makes a man perfect. Then so you have to do these kind of things, that you have to practice daily basis and you have to be persistent. Because ये कहानी भी हम लोगों ने सुनी है कछुआ और खरगोश की, कि कछुआ कैसे लगातार चलते रहने से वो अपनी दूरी को कंप्लीट कर लेता है और खरगोश परसिस्टेंट नहीं रहता है, सो हार जाता है. सो बी persistent and don't think about time, that if you are a true beginner then how much time it will take, how much efforts it will take, I will able to speak or not. You don't have to think these kind of things, because if you are learning, then enjoy the process. You don't have to think about anything. Friends, don't try to procrastinate the things, because it's a human nature that we always procrastinate the things, that मेरा मूड नहीं है या कल करूँगा. But if you are doing the different things, a new things, then you will have to give your 100% energy, 100% efforts. That's why you can learn the things in a fast manner. So friends, make sure that if you are doing a new things, then you have to give the time at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. You will have to give the time to yourself. That's why you can learn English easily. First of all, I would say try to listen, then after write down the things and try to understand what they actually saying in, if you are listening anything. So if you don't know, if you don't understand the things, then try to um, go to the Google and you can translate it by Google Translator. Simply you have to write down that whatever you are saying, write down in the Google and mention it in Hindi translation. Then of course it will give you the Hindi meaning, and that's why you can understand the Hindi. So simply if you are doing this, then of course you will going to learn this language. Then you will have to give the time, you will have to persistent. If you are thinking that कि आज से आप शुरू करें और एक दिन में इंग्लिश सीख लें, then it is not possible, because we are human, we are not a robot that कि कुछ भी फीड किए और उसे हम बोलना शुरू कर दिए. So make sure that if you are learning the things, then make sure that कि आपको टाइम, एफर्ट्स, एनर्जी देना पड़ेगा, so that you can speak English. because I've already mentioned it, English is our second language. And if you don't have that type of environment where people speak in English, then it will of course take the time. So don't think about time. Enjoy the process. Start